the bottom. Time to take the shoes off. Get those toes in the sand. This is what the inside of those boats look like. Empty. Don't lag again. Ủa? Chị đâu rồi? Nông la của ai cả? They say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. David Goggins said we're not afraid of a challenge. So 1,000 steps is no problem. See all the boats in the background. We were just down there. Started at the bottom. Now we're here. This is a spot called Soho Coffee. You can come here to enjoy a nice afternoon coffee, take some photos, relax, and enjoy the views. This is one of the spots from the last video, for those of you that know. Live from the boardwalk. A lot of activity going on up here. You got jeeps passing by, folks from all over. They're about to go to the sand dunes. Families, couples, locals, travelers. Best way to get around is either by foot, if you like to stay local, or rent a motorbike if you want to move a little quicker. But there's always local places to explore, good food, good cafes. Nothing beats getting down on foot and just taking your time, though. You can really see what everything is slowly, take it at your own pace. Take it all in. big bikes up there. People coming from far and wide. If you're bringing your own bike, I suggest you maybe rent a bike if you're coming from Saigon. Whenever you encounter dogs, it's always important to remain confident, and as long as you're not showing fear, they'll let you walk right past. But if you think they're gonna bite you and you're scared, they probably will. So relax. A few months ago when I visited here, this house was not here. I just saw them watering the trees and plants, and now they've developed a few different compounds, a few different houses on one land. So all similar design. And here comes Irini. This is the side of Mui Ne that most tourists don't see. The fisherman village.